unbox these two things that I ordered from Amazon. So let's do this first and then after this one. So let's try to unbox or unwrap this one and we'll see what's in here. So this is my son's jacket, and yeah, this is the color. It's something like blue and white. So we'll open this one again. And yes, this is the one. That's it. Now we're going to open this one. This is, I ordered also from Amazon. It's obvious. And we'll see what's in here. Oh, I thought it's a big one. I thought it's like this big, but it's just like that. Too small. I'm hoping it's quite a big thing, but really too small. It's the size of my palm. So that's how small it is. So this is luxury gold, and this is a limited edition. So this is like a gold sheet, but I was thinking it's like that much, like this much, but yeah. So we're going to open this one. I don't know how to open this. Here. So they have the name. The name is a bit bigger than the real sheet. It's quite funny. So this is the real sheet. So this is the revelation. We'll see what's in there. Is it real gold? It says there in Amazon it's real gold. So let's see. Ta-da-dang! Tang, tang, tang! Let's get one sheet and open it. Okay, so that's a gold sheet. It's so thin. Okay, so you can use this for like painting and art stuff, but it's very small, but it's cheap. This is not an expensive what's this sheet. It's just like 3 pounds or 4 pounds. It's good enough for decoration. And this is not the edible one. This is the craft, for the craft. 24. It says it's real. It's pure gold. What do you think? No. So this is what I got. It says pure gold 99.9, but I'm not sure if this is pure. It looks nice, it looks fine, and the purpose of this is for the craft. If you're making some art, you can put something on your, like if you paint something, you can put it on your painting, or you made something you want special, or a card or something. There is an edible like this in Amazon. It's a bit expensive than this one, but so far I bought this like £3, but the delivery charge is like another £3, so it's like £7. The parcel charge is more expensive than the thing. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell of notification. Until next unboxing. Alright. Okay.